Friends, today we shall go to another chapter, the imperative. But before that, I should want to tell you one thing. We can divide the sentences from two angles, structurally and thematically. If you divide the sentences as per structure, there may be simple sentences, compound sentences and complex sentences. But if you go to its aspect of thing, there are statements like it is a pen. It is a pen is a statement, and the negative is also a statement. It is not a pen. So the negative and positive are statements. But think of, is it a pen? It is never a statement. It is a question. But come to another thing. Oh, what a pen it is. This is an exclamatory sentence. But another type of sentences are there which are known as imperative sentences. Imperative means orders. And the particular order is there, but orders are not exclusively there. There are different types of words. Let us come to that. Let us come to one particular word, stop. In how many ways we can utter this particular word? If I say stop, you may feel it is an order. So this particular word is an order when I just change my intonation, my way of speaking. Come to another thing. My friend is going. I just, hey, stop. It may be a request. And I just found my friend was walking. I saw a snake there, so I tell, hey, stop. It is a sort of warning, or a sort of warning. And often you can feel, oh, it is information. It is information. And even I sing, hey, stop, let's go together. It is a sort of suggestion. A sort of suggestion. Often, if I sing, stop. So what happens? It is sometimes warning, information, suggestion, request, other advice. All these types of intonational behavior and the particular word stop can be used. And they are branded in one name, that is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence often just speaks out your mind. Just what you want, what is your intention. If you see, you just utter one word in a fashion of order, but your intention is request, you may be misunderstood. So to avoid misunderstanding, imperative sentences should be rightly used, otherwise the listener may misunderstand the speaker. So what happens? In your book, such type of sentences are there. One exercise there, you have to understand in what way it is used. We aren't deaf. We can hear you. And in the second column, there are words, don't touch it, put some cold water on it, put away your books, don't shout, break the brick, sit down on the floor. Automatically you will choose which particular sentence matches to this. It is don't shout. If it's another thing, there is a beautiful dance class. You must be tired out of the rest which can be picked up. And you will automatically feel, sit down on the floor. Say, all these sentences can be synchronized, can be understood in a particular situation. And imperative is that aspect of particular grammar which teaches you, which tells you, which informs you in what way the words will be used. Thank you. Just do the exercises. There are 4 exercises. If you can, you will be clear of this particular topic. Thank you.